Today I received a baby bouncer from VEVOR, and I did get this in exchange for this review. This is the box it came in. Let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. Here is everything out of the box. You get the bouncer, you get a manual, and look at this. You get a carrying case. The reason I haven't set it up yet, I wanted to show you it compact. That way it can fit in this case with no problem. I'm going to go ahead and put it together now. And here's the bouncer setup. Super easy. All it was extending it up. Once you hear a click, another click, and it's ready to go. Now the toy bar right here was pretty easy to put on. There's just 2 hinges on each side and you just slide it through. Now you don't need that if you don't want it. It's just an option to have. So on this bouncer, this cloth here is removable and washable. So that's great for all those messes. So also on this bouncer, it is up to the ages of 9 months. So anywhere between birth to 9 months old, and the weight capacity is 20 pounds. Let me give you a little closer up to the straps it has and to show you how you can adjust it. So here's where you would put the baby in, and right here is the strap. Now they put this here not only to secure the baby, but also not to have this rubbing against him or her. And here's where you adjust it. So you could just make it tighter or a little more loose. And on this toy bar here, you have a mirror and you have a little star. So here it is, all compact. Now let's go ahead and see if it fits in this case. And here it is in the case. That bouncer fit perfectly in this bag. So I really hope this information was helpful, and I hope you'll have a great day.